Finding a lawyer can be difficult, but if you know what questions to ask, you'll be amazed at how easy it is to find the perfect attorney. With a few simple tips, you'll be ready to make the best decision. Today's guest will give you some great insight on finding the perfect attorney for your needs.
You may be wondering, how should I go about finding the right attorney? Many people do not know how to find a good attorney. You may be too embarrassed to ask friends or family. You may not know what to look for in an attorney. Picking a lawyer is very difficult. Every legal case is different. The most important aspect of finding an attorney is finding one that you trust and the one you feel comfortable working with on your case. It's important to realize the stakes are high. A person with a pending criminal case is facing harsh sanctions. A felony conviction would destroy a person's education opportunities, career, or future life goals. Serving time in jail, and maybe even prison, not only is devastating to that person, but also to their loved ones. More so when it may not have been necessary. Don't let yourself or a loved one pay the price for incompetence. There are a few ways to make sure you're represented by the right attorney. 1. Choose an attorney with great online client reviews. Read at least 10 reviews and look for 4- and 5-star rating. Look for an attorney that received favorable reviews over a long period of time, over many years. Check with Better Business Bureau and see if they are on a high rating there. Check with their legal rating services to see how their peers rate them. Check with lawyers.com or Avo to see how other attorneys rate their performances. 2. Make sure the attorney has the right experience. One with over 20 years courtroom experience in criminal law will far outperform someone with much less experience. Make sure they have considerable experience conducting trials, including jury trials. Your attorney must know the courts and the personnel in the courts. Also look for an attorney with prosecution experience. That attorney will have a wide view of the law. Ask the attorney, how many trials have they had and how many have they won? You don't want an attorney that's lost every case. A good criminal attorney will be in court every single day. If a prospective attorney is always in the office, then stay clear of that attorney. 3. Use someone who specializes in criminal law. You wouldn't want an eye doctor to perform your heart surgery. Neither should you ask an attorney who doesn't specialize in criminal law to represent you in a criminal matter. The law has become very specialized and specific. Don't trust your case to an attorney that handles divorces or personal injury cases. The criminal laws change all the time. You need an attorney that is up to date on the new laws and knows how they will affect you and your case. You need an attorney that lives and breathes criminal law. 4. Look for an attorney who is advanced enough in the field to have the competence to teach other attorneys. Look for an attorney that lectures on a regular basis. Ask the prospective attorney if they have given a lecture and how often and on what topics. You want an attorney that teaches other attorneys. You don't want an attorney that is still being taught the law. 5th, meet the attorney before you make a decision. Find out how they will respond to your calls and concerns. Ask how they will communicate with you to keep you updated on your case. Never hire an attorney without meeting them first. If they did not have the time to meet with you, they will not have the time to properly prepare your case. 6. Find an attorney that's willing to do the work to successfully represent you. That they will obtain the discovery, review the discovery, that they will work on preparing and presenting your case for resolution. As a prosecutor, I've been amazed at how many attorneys do not obtain police reports or contact witnesses. Don't let your future be ruined by an attorney that takes shortcuts or does not fully defend and represent you. You need and deserve an attorney that will work for you, getting you the best possible result. That's really all it takes to find a great attorney. I have over 20 years criminal defense experience. I'm a prosecutor, municipal judge, and criminal defense attorney. All I handle is criminal defense matters. I've taught other attorneys for numerous years. I've taught on subjects such as criminal defense, evidence, and conducting trials. We also have had very high ratings from other attorneys and our clients. Google ratings and Yahoo and lawyers.com have all rated us very high. I'm in the courtroom nearly every day. We are in courts all throughout the area. If you want a criminal defense attorney in a criminal defense firm, then we are that firm. And I am that attorney.
Wow, that's some pretty helpful information. Now you're all set to move forward and find just the right professional with confidence. Take advantage of our guest speakers' expertise by calling the number on your screen. Thank you for joining us.